How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege in PS4 and PC. Let's get started. Today, we are diving into the world of crossplay to see if it's possible to join forces with your friends on Rainbow Six Siege, whether they are on PlayStation or PC. Let's get started. First off, we are heading to the official Ubisoft help page to get down the lowdown on crossplay. Here, we are looking for any info on connecting PS4 and PC players. Ubisoft resources mention crossplay between PlayStation and Xbox and even between PC and Luna, but notably missing is crossplay between PS4 and PC. According to Ubisoft's official help article, crossplay between PS4 and PC in Rainbow Six Siege is currently a no-go. Yep, sadly, it seems like we will have to stick to playing with friends on the same platform for now. If in the future it comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, at the moment, it's not possible to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege in PS4 and PC. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.